Okay, GBP USD. Let me run through these and a couple more. I'm just going to be able to knock this down to 2 videos since we got less pairs we're watching this week. Um, yeah, so that's a 4-hour chart. It looks like on the 5th. This is old. We already did this. We already made money. I kind of want to look at this instead. There's a big play and then a drop down from here. Maybe I could have taken this off a key level. Let's look here. It looks like it was just kind of like a fluke type of situation, and it's a big ass bar. I don't like big bars. I've never liked big bars. Check out MACD though. Definitely pointed to the downside more than the upside. I might be able to play this if it gets down to the trend line. I doubt I'll do that though. Let me look at the weekly. Weekly kind of, yeah. So I've got that trend line drawn in. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. Right now, it's playing off of the 50 EMA, a little bit 200 EMA, but mostly 50 EMA here. And then you go to 4-hour, and we got the 200 in, and we're just, yeah. I don't think we're in a position to strike right now. Nothing that I actually want to play off of. Although we've seen how it's acted on this 382 level, fib level, in the past. So maybe there's a bounce here. An early bounce. They even, yeah, so this is even showing MACD wise that it's kind of bearish, bearish bias. This is the opposite. This is more of a, this spike was way bigger relative to the previous moves, or equal to the previous moves here. So I don't know what to do intraday. I don't know. It doesn't really give me a good signal. This shows me that it's bearish, though, more bearish than it was on the daily chart. So, am I going to try to take this higher? No. Am I going to try to trade it in general? No, not with these bars being the size they are. I'm going to look for some exhaustion bars and some reversal bars before I even jump into this one. GBP, JPY. I'm feeling like this is a lot the same situation. And I think I would be right. We're reacting off of a key level and a 200 convergence, 50 convergence right here. No negative, no divergence on the MACD, you'll notice. But it's a little too iffy for me to jump in right now. I did show that there was a sign that we could take this down from here. And it looks like that would have been a good choice off of the key level. Not really sure why I picked this one, AUD, GBP AUD versus the other pairs, but this is a lot cleaner, obviously. And let me look at the 1 hour. So honestly, I'd be out of this right now. There's no reason to stay in this. You've already reached the previous low pretty much. And if you did stay in, you're really just kind of tripping over pennies, or tripping over dollars to chase penny. You know what I mean. 312.19. So this is a hypothetical because I didn't actually signal that I was going to get into this for real. This happened at, looks like 1 in the morning. We got up here. Could have got in. But yeah, might have got in earlier here yesterday when the bar printed. But I never would trade off of something like this. Look at this. This is a skyrocket. So I might have traded off of this one. Might have been too late. Maybe that one. But these two are more realistic of my style and how I would trade it. I'll get more into that later. Sometimes there's, positions that you could have got into early, but they don't really match your entry criteria. So there's no reason to beat yourself up, so to speak. Anyways, yeah, so there's a play here, and it's nice. Even with the bars being crazy like they are right now. These bars are so crazy. Man, this would have been a play strictly on the intraday. I don't even think I would have seen it on, and I feel like I'm early on higher time frames for sure. but we did kind of play off of this level already, so I knew it would it meant something. That's interesting, man. Just zoomed in accidentally. Let me see. How do I get out? I hate it when that happens on this Mac, man. Dang, I'm making it worse. There you go. Okay, anyways, next play, Euro JPY. This was an NZD drop. I think this is the NZD drop that I've been, that we were holding in really high regard. I get it. Okay, here we go. Is this the one that we called? Yeah, this is the one we called. And then we started climbing right up out of it. We're a little overly bullish in my opinion here, but nothing that I actually want to get into. It's very clean stair stepping up. I don't know. I don't know if I'm 100% about what I think the market's about to do at this point. After the huge drop, I guess it's gonna climb back up here or something. Could be a decent prediction. Okay, we're coming up against this 50. I'm gonna see what happens on this 50. There's my answer. Cool. See what happens on the 50, then go from there. Looks like we might be bouncing off the 50 to come up higher on this one. 450 EMA hasn't been broken yet. And we're super indecisive right in here. I don't like seeing all these pivot lines, man. Do like 3 of them hoes. Not even that many. Just want to, cool, clean up my chart a little bit. It's all preference, man. I'd like to see how this raw price action, you know, I'm gonna have these on here, the risk reward ratio and the vertical lines, fib lines, that's fine. Obviously the EMAs, it's whatever, but still don't want to overdo it, man. Keep things kind of minimal. To an extent, they're somewhat minimal. We closed this out a little bit early. Guess I just kind of stopped thinking that this was going to go down. Man, this isn't a good pair at all for me right now. It's just so sideways. It's so sideways. I can't tell you what's about to happen here. Yeah, I might actually stop watching that one. But it's a Euro pair, so I'm trying to force myself to stop being so biased. This is changing directions in my opinion, and this might have been the first play in the change of direction. We missed this one because we were still going down and we weren't ready yet. So higher high than the previous, higher low than the previous low ish. So yeah, we'll look for an opportunity to go long. This is going to be important to see how it reacts right in here. See if it's got enough momentum to crash through the 50s, 50 and the 200 EMA, and then we got the 50 EMA on the 1 hour chart. The 2 green bars back to back, so we might have a bullish week. We'll see. Right now, it'll be a green because the 2 days it's been green so far, so we'll see if it bounces. It's got a little bit of room. I wish there was a little bit more, but you know, I think we'll see what happens. I'm not sure exactly what went down right here to where I can't. I did that accidental zoom in thing again. Man, y'all killing me. Hold on. Alright, cool. I'm sorry, man. I've been having some technical difficulties today. The devil is a lie. Bounce off of this key level 1, 2, 3. See that? Crazy. I think I drew this recently, man. If I'm not mistaken. I think I drew this yesterday or the day before. Anyways, yeah, we bounced right up off of there, pulled back, bounced higher. This is a play for sure. You see this pullback in there. kind of a double bottom, even though we overextended on this one. Definitely saw the tide turning. We broke the 50 MA on the 1 hour, which usually ain't really important, but we broke the 50 MA on the 4 hour today, so that's way more important with my setup personally. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a pullback to get in, and I'm gonna look for another pullback to get in here, and I'm gonna actually do this thing again. You guys seem to have liked this last time. I'll do this, and then what is it? Brush. I'm gonna predict it. I'll say that the pivot's gonna be around here, right? So it's gonna be a pullback, jump in, something like this. Where are my arrows at? It's gonna look something like this. Do another one. Another one. Something like that. Probably stop it right in here. Just bounce up. So yeah, I'm gonna look for that play, and I'm actually gonna take that trade if it does that. I closed this out yesterday. Wish I would have waited. Saw this sideways movement and got the hell out of there. I actually had an opportunity to combo and go further. I think we're overextended right now. That's why I did that. That's why I got out. Yeah, we're way overextended. And sometimes you gotta ride the wave. I typically don't want to ride the wave because it's a little difficult for me to time it whenever I'm doing a momentum play versus like a reversal. But I got in and out, made money on this one, so whatever. Something I'm experimenting with. Still not my favorite, but yeah. Closed out, broke even. Actually saved my ass on this one. Thank you, Jordan, who did that. So I broke even when I could have lost 1% because it was a botched trade. And AUD CAD. Oops, 4 hour. Looks like we'll break into the other direction. Profit target would be 618, maybe the 5 point. And my computer about to die, but it's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna look for an opportunity to get in, even though I don't like this pair. This opportunity right here. This is the cleanest opportunity I've seen in a while for this, actually. And close that. If I die, I die. It's gonna look like this. Profit target gonna look like this. Up to 618. Stop. For me, it's not really a stop. It's more of a reassess the position at that point. But you've already made 2.28 on your money, man. Sometimes it's like, all right, cool, get out, you're good. So we're gonna look for that, and then I'm gonna look for. This isn't as clean. This is kind of like hovering over it versus a pullback. The reason I don't like these pairs is because the wicks. So you look at all these. It's kind of sloppy. It's not as trending and stair-stepping. I like that stair-step movement. It helps me pick. So anyways, that's it for today, y'all.